Hello and welcome to a brand new video on my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing like a look. I've opted for a like snowy look, and I will show you where my inspiration has come from. It has been snowing loads where I live. Like yesterday it was literally snowing like all day long, so we've got quite a bit of snow, and I thought I'm gonna take inspiration from this and I'm gonna do like a snow queen ice queen sort of look. So that's why I'm looking a bit funky, because I have done my base makeup and I've done like really light concealer around my eyes because I'm gonna be doing like white and stuff around there, so I just wanted a lighter base. So that's why I'm looking funky. But you know what, I'm ready, so let's get into it. I've just put my cardigan on because I'm very cold. I'm going to be using the Beauty Bay EYN Bright palette, and I'm going to use this white shade here for my eyeshadow. And I've already put like quite a light base on, as I mentioned before, just so that I can get this eyeshadow as white as possible. I'm really gonna like smoke this out like to around this area as well, because I want to have like snowflakes coming off of it. That's my vision. That is my vision in my mind. So I'm just gonna use my mirror. I know I'm gonna have to put like quite a bit of this on because white shades don't always show up very well. I'm gonna just try my finger a little bit. I'm actually just mainly using my finger the most and just like dotting it on top of my eye, because that's what I'm getting the most colour payoff from, and I'll just use my brush to blend it out. So I'm just gonna literally put all of my white on first, and then I'm gonna start blending it out. So I'm literally just packing all of that white on, and then I'm also like bringing it under my eyes a little bit as well. I just want it to be all smoked out around this area because I'm gonna put like quite a few snowflakes on as well. So as you can see, I've literally added all of my white now, and now I'm just gonna take a really light blue and I'm just gonna run it along my lash line like really lightly. So this is just a little close-up of what I've done. I've literally just run that blue under there. Okay, so this is definitely the most exciting part. So I'm going to be using this Barry M. It's like a water activated liner and it's in white. So just like start drawing like snowflakes all around this sort of area. As you can see, I've added on like loads of little snowflakes, 2 coming out of each like eye, and then just like loads of mini ones just around. I'm just going to line my eye with the white eyeliner just to bring a bit of like a pop of white to like my lash line. So now what I'm going to do is actually a super fun part. So I bought like this like whole bunch of lashes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pair of the lashes and I'm gonna paint them white with like paints, or I can just use this. I'm just gonna choose the lashes I want to paint. I'm probably gonna do this one and this one, and then I'm just gonna literally paint it onto them, and you can see they're literally turning white. So I've now got one lash on, and the effect that they give is very quite snowy. Like it looks like there's probably snow on the lashes because there's still a bit of the black peeping through. But I am just using that same brush just to blend my lashes in with the false lashes. So this is how we're looking right now, very snowy. The last step of this makeup look would just be to do my lips white as well, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do my hair first. So what I'm gonna do with my hair is I'm literally just gonna put a wave through it, and then kind of like, I don't know, we'll reach that point when we get to it. So this is the waver I'm going to be using. It's just heating up now, and it takes literally forever to heat up. So I've just put like a messy little wave through it because I just want it to look like quite just snowy and just like naturally sort of wave. So I'm now going to finish off by making my lips white, and I'm also going to run a little bit of like white through my eyebrows as well. And this is my frosty and snowy final look. I just put my hair up just to like, and then just to flatten my face to bring a few bits down. So this is a close-up. I just kind of gone for this effect on my lips because I think it looks kind of frosty. But yeah, this is my final look. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.